Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can turn off autoplay video on Facebook. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Facebook, and your Facebook should be updated. After updating, click on open and you will see three line on top right. Click on it. After that, you will see setting and privacy option. Click on it. After that, click on setting. Then scroll down the page and you will see media options. Click on it. And here, search autoplay options. Here you will see autoplay options and you will see three options here: on mobile data and Wi-Fi autoplay video, on Wi-Fi only autoplay video, and never autoplay video. Because we want to turn off autoplay video, that's why we will select it. So after selecting never autoplay video, your never autoplay video will be stopped. In this way you can turn off autoplay video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.